feel like it
Oh,
outside?
not yet. This weekend it will.
Okay.
Yeah, this weekend we're going to flip that switch, get into that more fall, winter type of weather. We've got some humidity and warmth to get through before all of that happens, though. It's near 80 degrees out right now, looking at the tower cam, where there have been a few showers moving in to places like the Island and Flower Bluff this late afternoon. We have an east to southeast wind, 15 miles per hour. The humidity level is very high. And these are those showers. They're moving in and then falling apart as they move to inland locations. So say you're in downtown Corpus Christi right now, these aren't going to get quite as far inland as that. They're going to fall apart. And after this, we should be fairly quiet throughout the evening. A few clouds passing through, temperatures in the low 70s or upper 60s tomorrow morning. A rogue shower possible Wednesday. I think we'll have less activity than what was observed today. Temperatures again in the middle to lower 80s here tomorrow afternoon. So a few showers in south central Texas. We are going to look, though, upstream for the big system that's going to deliver us that huge weather change of pace this weekend. That's the counterclockwise spin over Northern California. That's the system that will get rid of the warm and humid weather as it arrives here on Friday late in the afternoon or early evening. Not ready to quite put a timestamp on the exact arrival, but as it does come in, I don't think it's going to be all that rainy initially. It won't be until after the front passes through Friday night and into Saturday that we see those rain chances bounce up, along with the temperatures going down as cooler air arrives behind the front. This rain chance is going to be primarily due to something called an overrunning pattern. So we're going to have colder air at the surface, warm air moving in from the south up and over the top of that cooler air, and that process will force the air vertically, which will then cool and condense it. And when this happens in South Texas, at least, it tends to deliver us the gray, damp, and cool weather days. So I think that's what we're in store for here on Saturday, which looks to be the best chance for rain. And even though the chance is looking good, I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rain. I'm thinking about 1/4 to 1/2 inch on average with respect to rainfall here Saturday. Look at the temperatures. Bring out the jackets on Saturday. I think we're going to stay in the 50s all day. Some 40s possible on Sunday morning, and then a little recovery in the temperatures heading into Monday of next week. It's also going to drop the humidity down. We're going to be in that dry category for the weekend. So get ready for that big change of pace. Tonight, 73, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, a spot shower possible, but most just observe the mix of sun and clouds. 84 degrees, the afternoon high temperature. If you're going out on the water, a little bit of chop out there. Watch out for moderate to high risk for rip currents on Gulf of Mexico facing beaches. Next 7 days, again, get ready for that big change. Veterans Day Friday, late in the afternoon, early evening. That's when that front comes through. And it's going to be downright blustery on Saturday. Those winds are going to be strong. It's going to be damp, and temperatures will be cool, upper 50s. I was looking back at the year's data, and we have not had a day where temperatures stayed under 60 since March. So it's been quite some time.
Been a while.
So
yeah,
you're
so
gonna
we're
have to,
due.
We're due, and you're going to have the jackets ready, I think, this weekend. Yep.
All right, good tips to